you're back. Well, welcome to everybody's favorite YouTube channel. Here we are in Inventor, and I hope you're not too bad. But it's when we left off, you were to bring in your assembly. I got a lot of different assemblies here, and put it into. Oops, that one's messed up. Not that one. Let's see, Actuator assembly. This one's not bad. But look, this isn't lined up. You might not have gotten even that lucky. You might, let me see here. You might have something that looks kind of like this one. Let's see. Come on. Yes, do it. Well, that'd be really bad. Okay. Always when I'm doing a video, things don't run right. What about maybe this one? Oh, this one's really pretty good. It's really close, but if you look at the picture, these holes line up. Okay, that one's not bad. Okay. I'm looking for another one that's... How about this one? Ah, okay. Look at this. No matter what I do, okay, no matter what I can do, I can't get it into a two-dimensional view. And this might be the problem you're at. It depends on how you made it and assembled it. In the first video, I was just kind of showing you the basics. And it doesn't bother me if you have that issue. It shows you that we need to take a little more time to arrange things a certain way. So you could go into some of your assemblies, and I've got a bunch here, and you could try to play with your constraints. I'll give you a big hint. It'll help if you go over here to your origin folder and you look at some planes and you square your part up with the planes, because that's what the drawing template's going to use. Probably the simplest for me to show you, and it worked for you though, is to start over, okay, and just start with a good foundation. All right, and so what we're going to do is I'm going to place my shell first. I'm going to base everything on my shell, okay, and so if I get my shell right, then hopefully everything else will come together. Okay, and so I'm going to look at some planes here, and I'm going to start right here with this plane, and I want to constrain this face to that plane, and it just flipped it around. I think I can even flip part. Suppress, maximum. It's okay. We'll just do that. Okay. So now, and you know what? I'm going to bring in my drawing template while I'm at it. And which one am I doing? Let's start closing these. No. Sorry. No. I'm not sure. Oh, I just made a new part. That's right. It's going to be assembly 4. Okay. So, I'll go into my drawing. I have a lot of these. Yes. I suppose I could have been more ready for the drawing. Alright, there it is. I apologize. Okay. So now I'm going to bring in assembly 4. It's probably not even there because it hasn't been saved. So let's just give it a name. Assembly video 2. And OK. So now if I go to the drawing and I look at, before I do anything else, and here, and you can see, oh, I already solved that one problem. I can actually get a view, and that's an isometric view, but if I click here, I've got a 2-dimensional view, and so on and so forth. See, I like it. That's going to work. That's a good foundation. Alright, next, I'm going to place my cap. And I like the position it's in. I'm not going to constrain it. I'm going to join it rotationally from here to the bottom of that, which, let me just turn here and go like that. And that's not what I want. And I'm going to hit cancel. And no, I'm going to click this one first. And if you forget, oh, that's why we play around. Alright, to there. Might not work the first try. Alright? Looks good to me, though. Okay? Next, I'm going to bring out my piston. And I'm going to open that and set it down, and I think I will rotate it. I think I'll free rotate it. Oh, it's actually in a not bad position. Whatever. Okay. I am going to join this cylindrically, and you'll see it gets that cylinder, and I'm going to put it there. It makes that cylinder. Aha! It's good. And I'm going to bring in some limits. Actually, I'm going to hit apply, and I'm going to hit cancel here. I'm going to go like that. That's like the farthest I want it to be. I'm going to edit. I'm going to, no. I don't know what just happened. And I'm going to undo. There. Oh. Okay, I'm going to edit the actual edit, and I'm going to look at the limits, and right now it says the current is 38 millimeters. Okay, and I'm going to call that the start, and I'm going to call the end, I don't know, 0. I'm going to have to play it around with it. Okay. And it only does so much. Okay, and so again, if you're doing this, your numbers may be totally different. I'm playing with it to figure out what it needs to be. I'm going to call this 50. And 50 is too much. See how the piston's coming out? It's good though. It's better. The other one, just trial and error. Okay, 50 is a little too much, so we'll do 46. And here, we're not getting anywhere near enough. I'm going to call this negative 30. I'm going to hit OK. And now, still coming out. That's a lot better, though. I'd go a little more than 30, negative 30. But we'll do this again. Edit it. Alright, does this matter? No, not really. In your drawing it won't, but on the drawing template I won't be able to see this. But here we go. Negative 38 maybe? That one's good. Negative 38 might be a little too much. Apologize. Let me do one more change. Hate to be so picky, but let's get it perfect. Okay. Feeling good. I can even go over to my drawing and base, and we can bring in some parts. Okay. I can do a better job actually in the way it's going to look, like this and this, right? But we'll start like that. No. Nope. One more time. There it is. That's what we want. And then I'll put it at 1/2. And it's okay. It'll keep. Why can't I change that one? No. Move this one in, move this one up. There we go. And we can even play around with that. There we go. Okay. I'm not done, obviously, but things are looking really nice now. I'm going to edit the view, turn on hidden lights, get rid of the lines, get rid of the shading. Perfect. I may need to lower this a little, like so. Alright, looking really good, really good. Okay. All I have left to do now is place the clevis. Okay. And see this clevis, it's also going to want to be on this same plane. So I'm going to click on that plane and show you what I mean. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, now it's not on the plane, and we don't have to put it on the plane or leave it there. We're just going to constrain it to the plane for a minute. I say OK, and I'm going to grab my clevis, and I'm going to delete that. Okay, and that didn't work out so good because I have it. But maybe when I do my join, I can flip it. Alright, so I'm going to do a joint. I'm going to do cylindrical. Just not seeing the view I want when I do this. Okay, not bad, but I'm going to cancel that, and I'm going to do a joint, and this time I'm going to select that one first. I'm going to do that. Yeah. should be able to flip it apart. There it is. Like it. And I'm going to apply that. And it's cool. But I'm going to constrain that to be flush. So this is flush with this. Apply that. And boom. There it is. We take a look over at our assembly drawing, wherever that is. There it is. It's my assembly video too. And as you can see, everything's lined up nice as can be. Move that up a little bit. I also can go and I can make it like animated, like it actually is a piston. And where I leave this is what I see in the drawing. See, now the piston's down here, which I think is cool. I'd rather it be there. So you can see the hidden lines better, opposed to having it pulled up like so. Now the piston, it's kind of hard to tell. Yeah, I like it better like that. Yeah, I like it. All right, and so shouldn't have to redo the explosion. And actually, now that we're all constrained and tightened up like that, the explosion is going to be way harder to do because this, I can't take it apart. And the way that I showed you already, you'd have to find a different route. All right, well, it's getting kind of long, so hopefully this is the last video, well, for this series. See you next time.